Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make special Arabic sweets for you. It's called Vermicelli bites. Let's get started. Keep a saucepan on a low flame. Then add quarter cup of butter. Now the butter is melted. Then we can add 1 cup of vermicelli. Then add thin vermicelli. This is 1 cup of vermicelli. Fry for 4 minutes. Quarter cup of condensed milk. Mix well and turn off the flame. Let's start making vermicelli bites. Take a small cup like this. I have taken a medicine cup. First add little of crushed pista. Then fill the vermicelli mix. See, fill like this. Then demold into a plate. Now we have made our vermicelli bites. So guys, this is our vermicelli bites. It's very simple and easy. Please do try this delicious sweet and subscribe and like for more videos. See you.